Today on National Mamakota Graphic, we look at the xenomorph mating ritual between the different xenomorphs. There are different kinds. Like I was saying, there are different ones. There are red ones, black ones. There's just different kinds. There are black aliens, red aliens, brown ones, blue ones, and yellow ones. Surprisingly, there's actually yellows. The predaliens. But this is the mating ritual between them two. First, the male may swing his tail around to try to attract the other mate. The mate might be attracted and find interest in this new alien. Then they meet. Then the male shows off its tongue. Technical difficulties again. And then they meet. We're not going to show actual footage because it gets pretty gross. But we're going to recreate the scene to show you how it's done, basically. The recreation scene is made by a 5-year-old.
Let's make babies! Yeah! Yeah! Let's make babies! Yeah!
Then the female later takes the nutrients that she had gotten, brings them to the queen, and then the queen lays eggs. And then, like praying mantises, actually, the females eat the male's head. Ow! Why are you killing me? I loved you and now you're killing me! Traitor! Mamakota, 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 Mamakota. Subscribe, like or dislike. Just flag it if you want. Probably not gonna be though. Do. This is the end of this episode. Goodbye, I guess.